Hey guys, it's me Risa. How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen again. I'm excited because I'm going to teach you the easiest way to make an iced coffee with a couple of Risa's tips, okay? Super fast, super delicious, and versatile. All you're going to need to do is brew up some coffee. I have my new Keurig machine, which we love. If you have a regular coffee machine, you have your instant coffee. We use Tim Hortons, Starbucks, McDonald's, whatever you like. And you can make lots of it, or if you just have a regular coffee maker and you have a big container, you can make it, brew it, let it sit for a little bit, and you can leave it in a container, a small container, a big container, and keep it in your fridge. And then when you're ready to make iced coffee, you have it, okay? Now, one of my tips is, dun, da, 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 I make ice cubes with the coffee. Why? So it won't be diluted, okay? Because you can make a bag of ice, which I always keep, all right? But if you make it with iced coffee, then you have it and it won't be all watery once it melts down, and especially if you're going outside, okay? So all you're gonna do is, I love, if people come over, it looks so cute. I love these mason jars. And I just add, okay, so what I wanted to show you too is you can use regular milk, 1%, 2%. You can use unsweetened almond milk, which is lovely. You can use coconut milk for a nice flavor. You can use a little bit of cream. 2 tablespoons is only 1 smart point, and I love 5% cream or half and half cream. Or you can also, to flavor it, you can use all kinds of flavored creams as well. If you like Bailey's, that's 1 smart point for a tablespoon. So if you want to indulge, all you're going to be counting for WW, Wellness That Works, is the milk or the cream, unless you use almond milk. And also whatever flavor you like. I love the hazelnut syrup. It's a sugar-free syrup. I get this at the low-carb grocery store here in Canada, but you can get it in different places. I've seen them at Marshall's, HomeSense, lots of different health food stores you can find it, okay? So there's vanilla, and there's all different kind of flavors that you might enjoy as well. And I usually use about a capful. All right, so I'm going to use the hazelnut. And what you do is you're going to taste it and see. So I'm just going to pour my coffee in. All right, and it's about a cup's worth or so. And then I'm going to add my ice cubes. So I like it, nice and cold, hence it's iced coffee, okay? And I'm just gonna I love these reusable straws, and you just mix it. And then I'm gonna add my cream. I'm gonna add a couple of tablespoons because I like cream. Sometimes I put almond milk, sometimes I use 1% or skim, but the cream is super delicious, and for 1 smart point on WW, why not? And then you have your amazing iced coffee with your coffee ice cubes. Now, the other thing you could do is add a little cinnamon, which is really super delicious. And if you want to sweeten it up, you can use whatever sugar, monk sugar. That's what I love, the Lakanto monk sugar. But you can use whatever sugar substitute. If you want to use regular sugar for 1 tablespoon, I believe it's only 1 smart point as well, for those of you that don't like sugar substitute. So let's try this. That is super delicious. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you like more milk in it, you like more ice cubes in it, it's all up to you how you take your iced coffee. And it's amazing. And it's great because you can have it all year round. After a nice walk, I love to have this as a treat. When I come home from work, whenever, and if you have company over, you can make your own delicious iced coffee. And again, it's versatile. Use whatever milk, cream, syrup, sugar, all right? And of course, my tip is making your own ice cubes as well. All right, so I hope you love this video. Please share my channel with other people on social media if you have, your friends, your family. They don't have to be on WW to enjoy all the different videos that I have, all right? As long as you're on a health journey, which hopefully you all are, please comment, like, and of course, subscribe. Mwah! Bye for now and take care.